Ever feel like you're pouring your heart into someone who just isn't ready to reciprocate? Here's the secret to handling that. Number 1. What if he's scared of losing his independence? Many men fear that a relationship might mean losing their freedom. Reassure him that a relationship doesn't mean he has to give up his independence. Encourage a conversation where he can share his fears. Let him know that you value independence as much as he does and believe in a balanced, healthy relationship. Show him that a partnership doesn't have to mean the end of his solo adventures but rather the beginning of shared experiences. Number 2. Could he be afraid of emotional vulnerability? Men often struggle with the idea of opening up emotionally. Approach this delicately by sharing your own experiences and showing empathy. Tell him it's okay to have fears and that being vulnerable doesn't make him weak. Instead, it strengthens the bond between two people. By creating a safe space for him to express his feelings, you're encouraging a deeper connection that can lead to mutual trust and respect. Number 3. Is past hurt holding him back? Past relationships can leave scars that make it difficult to move forward. If he's been hurt before, he might be hesitant to dive into another relationship. Acknowledge his pain and let him know that you understand his hesitation. Offer to take things slow and reassure him that not every relationship has to end in heartbreak. Your patience and understanding can help him heal and see the potential for happiness with you. Number 4. Does he feel pressured by societal expectations? Society often puts pressure on men to be the strong, silent type who doesn't show emotion. This can make them wary of relationships. Counter this by creating an environment where he feels free to express himself without judgment. Show him that you appreciate him for who he is, not who society expects him to be. By reducing the pressure, you allow him to explore his feelings and embrace the idea of a relationship on his own terms. Number 5. What if he doesn't see the value in a relationship? Sometimes, men don't understand the benefits a relationship can bring to their lives. Highlight the positives subtly. Share stories of couples who support each other and grow together. Show him how a relationship can enhance his life, not complicate it. When he sees the value you add to his life, he may be more willing to consider taking that step with you. Number 6. Could he be unsure of what he wants? Indecision can stem from not knowing what one truly wants. Help him explore his feelings without pushing him. Ask open-ended questions that encourage him to think about his desires and goals. By guiding him to understand what he wants, you're helping him make a more informed decision about your future together. This approach shows that you respect his process and are willing to support him through it. Number 7. Is he afraid of losing control? Men often fear that a relationship means losing control over their lives. Assure him that a healthy relationship is about partnership and balance, not control. Emphasize the importance of mutual respect and decision-making. Show him that being in a relationship doesn't mean he loses his autonomy but gains a partner who supports his decisions and goals. This can help alleviate his fears and open up to the idea of commitment. Number 8. What if he doesn't feel good enough? Insecurities can prevent men from committing to a relationship. He might feel he's not good enough for you. Counter this by appreciating and acknowledging his strengths and qualities. Remind him of the reasons you value him. Boosting his confidence can help him see himself as deserving of a loving relationship. When he feels valued and appreciated, he's more likely to embrace the possibility of a future together. Number 9. Is he worried about financial stability? Financial concerns are a common reason men hesitate to enter relationships. Reassure him that financial stability isn't a prerequisite for a happy relationship. Emphasize the importance of partnership in overcoming challenges together. Show him that you're willing to build a future together, no matter the current financial situation. This can relieve some of the pressure he feels and help him focus on the emotional connection between you. Number 10. Could he be waiting for the perfect moment? Many men delay relationships, waiting for the perfect moment that may never come. Encourage him to embrace the present and appreciate what you have now. Life is unpredictable, and waiting for perfection can mean missing out on genuine connections. Help him see that the perfect moment is a myth and that the best relationships are built in the here and now. By focusing on the present, you can both enjoy the journey together. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.